Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your iPhone 5G data finishes very quickly even with the limited plan, like if you have only 1.5 GB plan per day, then this video is for you. Many users think it is a network issue, but the real problem is hidden inside your iPhone setting. Before I will start, I will explain you why this happens. 5G deliver higher speed. It also pushes high quality content automatically. Along with that, iPhone allow app and system service to use mobile data silently in the background. To fix this guys, you need to turn off background app refresh. To do this guys, you need to open your iPhone settings. In the iPhone settings, go to journal. In the journal, here you can get the option background and app refresh. Open it, and from here you need to select off. That's it, or you can select Wi-Fi only. Okay, this single step save a lot of your mobile data. That's why you need to do this. Second thing is this guys, you need to stop iCloud using mobile data. To do this guys, go to your iPhone settings once again. In the iPhone, select your Apple ID and open iCloud and tap on iCloud backup, and then here you need to turn off backup on mobile data. Also check photos and mobile data is off or not. Okay, from here you can easily able to check this. After this guys, you need to disable Wi-Fi assist. To do this guys, once again open your iPhone settings. In the iPhone settings, go to mobile services, scroll down. Here you can get the option Wi-Fi assist. You need to disable it. After doing this guys, now this is a very important setting. You need to limit your video streaming quality. For example, if you use most of Instagram on your iPhone, open the Instagram. Go to your profile settings, scroll down and find out media quality. Open it. From here you need to select data saving option, use less mobile data. Same with, you can get the same setting in your Facebook. Open the Facebook and select the low quality. From here you need to select data saver option. That's it. After doing this guys, if you use YouTube most, open the YouTube. Go to the settings. In the settings, here you can get the option quality. Open it and select the data saver option from here. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. One more thing guys, you need to control the App Store download. Open the App Store on your iPhone and turn off app download on mobile data automatic update. You need to disable it from here. After doing this guys, it will reduce your iPhone mobile data usage very less. Okay, after applying this setting guys, your iPhone 5G data consumption will drop 100%. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to TECHiFY for real working iPhone and Android fixes. Comment down below if your data issue is fixed or not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.